So now for the hotly contested Best Independent Business, sponsored by Weller Scaffolding Limited of Bridport. So the nomination for our winners, Baby Birds, Pushchairs and Prams in Dorchester, came from an employee who said, "Emma has always been an amazing person to work for. As the business has expanded, she's created the chance for more jobs and facilities so that all mums can use them without feeling under pressure to pay for something just to feed their baby. Since I've worked for Baby Birds, I've learnt so much about all sides of the industry, and it's all down to the Baby Birds team, who are a very welcoming bunch. I'm privileged to call myself one of the Baby Birds team."
The family business has been going for nearly 23 years. I was pregnant with my first daughter, Molly, and I went into other shops and I didn't get the help that I wanted from other shops, and I felt that I could do better. Independent retailers, I feel, can give better information to pregnant mums because it's a very special time of your life. Baby Birds is at Crossways. We've got the warehouse at Crossways, and then we've got the shop in Dorset. Now we've just moved to the new premises. I've got a fabulous team all together. Everybody in Baby Birds is just awesome. They're all very, very good at their job. I'm really lucky. We're massive on social media. We've got over 20,000 likes on Facebook. I've always said that you treat people how you want to be treated, and having a baby is such a wonderful time in your life that going into a shop where you actually have information and a nice feeling and lovely things to see is so important. It's actually a feature that we're doing for the new shop to encourage people to help the local skaboo. They can buy something from Baby Birds and we offer a 10% discount, and everything goes straight up to the babies for skaboo for Christmas. We're also bringing out our own pushchair that we're actually bringing in. We've designed it, we're just finishing off the colours, and we're hoping to bring that out to the market next year. In order to get that delivered, you'd have to go onto babybirds.co.uk, and we ship worldwide. This award is a result of very hard work from the Baby Birds team, and for that I want to thank you all from the bottom of my heart.
Please welcome the winner of the Best Independent Business, Baby Birds of Dorchester.